videotaping.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm. It's sandy out here. I got sand in my vagina.
Oh, you're so cranky.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, flip me in the middle finger. It'll be like the same thing but new because it's sandy.
I can shoot without having to hit a person.
Yeah. Cheers.
Come on, you gotta discuss the sand. That's the topic today.
It's in my eyes.
It's
in my eyes.
It's in my pee hole. A girl named Sandy once.
Was she sandy?
Yeah. Hurt my penis.
That's kind of rough. That sucks. I had sex with sandpaper before. That's cool. It's like the same thing but sand. In case you didn't know, it's a sandstorm. A weak one, but bad. Enough.
Hey, his buddy, all you gave me, come on, but she was throwing that thing in the car, and then she looked over at his buddy. This would kill me. She looked over at his buddy and said, "You want that?" Oh, no ma'am, no ma'am.
Did you watch that video? Yeah. Oh my God, what are you talking about before they go into the store?
Yeah. Oh, Olympus.
Preventative beating.
That's pretty neat, man.
Yeah, preventative ass whooping.
Oh.
Who got that?
We're
about to go in there, and you're not going to touch it.
You're not going to
Where?
ask for anything.
Where?
I don't know, we cracked the car.
They take pictures too? Damn, I missed this one.
Did you just hit me for something I might do?
Where you zoom at? This is zoom up here, right?
You can't do it when it's videotaping. It won't zoom.
Yeah. Change the picture mode. I like that one.